smokes Newports, so that's about $8 pack of cigarettes right
It's
there.
like
So if she slow down her cigarette habit, you might have enough money to have a damn truck
but I
payment.
smoke one pack every 2 days.
Well, that's pretty good. She might have you beat there.
She does.
So you
I
might not
smoke
have
a pack a day.
you might not have a rooster throwing that damn cage there, buddy.
You goddamn right there, son.
Did you find yours?
What?
the rooster, the chicken
My chicken?
anyway.
Yeah, she gets out every morning. Or
Does she
during the
really?
night. I don't know how she gets out, but she gets out.
Actually, I was there. She called her. You were like, I lost the chicken.
I did.
She said, I guess it's coyote
She
bait now.
flew way up in a tree, and I went over and I shook that tree. She flew out, flew over the fence.
They don't fly far, but they can fly.
No, they'll fly. They can fly. They'll fly far. I mean, maybe from here to
Right from here to that swing set.
Yeah, that's farthest. They're gonna fly. They run out. They run out of strength by then.